Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Melissa with Sentimental Salvage and Design, and today we're going to work on this stamp storage cabinet. I found it at a thrift store and it's metal and super sturdy and it's on wheels, so it's perfect for storing all of my Iron Orchid design stamps. First I painted it with Fusion Mineral Paint in Prairie Sunset. 2 coats of Prairie Sunset gave it full coverage, so I didn't need to do anything else. I let it dry overnight, and the next day I came in and I started planning out my stamps. I'm using the Iron Orchid Design text stamps in swoosh, typesetting, Alpha 2, which is a first generation stamp, and the new letterpress, and farmhand. I'm just playing around with my placement to figure out where I want it to all be. Once I planned it out, I grabbed a hold of all of it with a thin mount. I was able to pick up the whole thing in one swoop. I'm using IOD ink in black. And first I take out every second letter of the swoosh stamp. This stamp overlaps, so to get a good impression I always pull out every second letter. Just cleaning up a bit of the edges, and then we're ready to stamp. Don't hesitate, line it up, put it down, and I'm rolling over it here with a brayer. Always keep one hand on your thin mount for stability. Pull that thin mount up in one swift motion so you don't get any smudges. I like to take a piece of newsprint and just blot over it to grab any excess ink. Now I'm going to go in and stamp those missing swoosh letters. I accidentally shifted a little bit with that T, so I'm going to have to go back in and fix that. It's a simple fix. I'm going in there with a little paintbrush and some ink, and I'm just touching it up, cleaning up that smudge. And here where the M overlaps onto the P, I just want to clean that line up a little bit as well. This is an easy way to fix any oopses. And there you have it. I did the front as well, and it is the perfect storage unit for all of my stamps. I extended these file folders by a few inches and they all fit perfectly. I'm going to keep my eyes open for another one of these little cabinets because as an Iron Orchid Design stockist, this stamp collection will be forever growing. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope this inspires you to come up with some creative storage for your stamps.